Hey guys, so this is itel's latest device in the P series, the itel P38. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the phone and telling you guys everything you need to know before you go ahead to buy this phone. So stay tuned and watch to the end. Now let's get to it. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So we just crossed 1,000 subscribers right here on the channel. So thank you all so much. And if you're new here or you're not yet subscribed to the channel, do subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, now let's get on with the unboxing. So this is what you get when you buy the itel P38. So first we get the SIM ejector pin. Next we get a hard plastic case. Now we get the phone itself, the itel P38. It feels nice and it has the stripe pattern at the back. The plastic case fits well. So next we get the micro USB cable for charging. Now wired earphones, and lastly we get the 18-watt charging brick. Now this is all we get in the box: the case, the phone, the micro USB cable, wired earphones, the 18-watt charging brick, and the SIM ejector tool. Now this phone costs just 51,000 naira or $85. Do keep that in mind as we go through this video. This phone is just $85. So this is me setting up the phone for the first time. Now this was an offline setup, so I did not connect to any Wi-Fi or use my mobile data. And yeah, it took me less than 2 minutes to set up the phone for the first time, and then the phone was ready for use. So let's start with the design. Now the design on the itel P38 is very similar with the Tecno Spark 8C. The only difference being that it's at the middle, that's the flash is at the middle, but on the Spark 8C it was at the bottom. Now we also get a rear mounted fingerprint scanner. I love the design on the rear of the phone. That stripe pattern makes it easy to hold. Now I used to think that the P in the itel P series stands for power, but it turns out it stands for play. So this is itel Play 38. The sides on the phone is curved and I actually prefer that than having it flat. Now on the right side of the phone we get the power button and the volume rockers. At the bottom we get the mono speaker grill, the micro USB cable, the primary microphone, and the headphone jack. At the left side we get the dual SIM card plus memory card slot. Now this is 3G, you can't use 4G on the itel P38. Now at the back is the fingerprint scanner and it is pretty fast. I did not expect the fingerprint scanner to be this fast and reliable. So we get a 6.6-inch 720p LCD display on the itel P38. Now this display is average. I say it's average because it's not visible under direct sunlight. You will find it hard to use under direct sunlight. It was pretty hard for me. But besides that, this display is pretty okay. It's decent. The contrast is very good. The colors are also well saturated, and yeah, it's pretty sharp for a 720p display. We get dual rear cameras on here. That's an 8 megapixel main sensor and a QVGA lens. Now up front we get a 5 megapixel selfie shooter. Now the itel P38 takes decent pictures in good lighting condition, but in low light this camera struggles. Selfies are pretty decent. For the price you're paying, these selfies are pretty good, and selfie portraits are also pretty nice. Hey guys, so this is what video on the itel P38 looks like. You shoot it in 720p resolution. That's the highest you can shoot on the itel P38. So do let me know what you think of the video quality and the audio quality as well. I have no comments. Do let me know what you think in the comment section down below. This is what video looks like outdoors. So let me know what you think. Does it look better? Okay. This is video from the main center of the itel P38. Max version is 720p, and 2 times is the highest times you can zoom. 2x zoom is the highest. So let me know what you think. It doesn't look really good, but I think for the price of this phone, you can't really expect better. But let me know what you think of the video quality and the whole camera quality in general in the comment section below. This phone is running Android 11 and it's already outdated, but at least security wise it's updated. So we get 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage on the itel P38, and that's okay. Now it's powered by a Unisoc processor running at 1.3 GHz, and I wish I could tell you that this phone performed well, but it doesn't. Opening even the stock apps on the phone took time. It was slow. Opening the settings app, the phone app, the messages apps, opening Chrome, it was really slow. I didn't even bother installing games on this phone because I knew it was going to struggle. So don't buy this phone to play games or to do anything that will be demanding. You are better off buying this phone for your kid or maybe using it as a temporary phone. Now we get a 5000 mAh battery on the itel P38, now paired with 18 watts of fast charging, and that's pretty good. This phone will get you over a day for sure, and it can charge up pretty fast too, so thumbs up on the battery side. Do let me know your thoughts of the itel P38 in the comment section down below. Now I do hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoots. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.